Hi, I'm Chris Marshall with Woodworkers Journal Magazine here at AWFS in the Craig booth with Brad Lilienthal. Brad, what's new from Craig at the show?
We've got a couple new products here that we're showing this year at AWFS. One is a shelf pin drilling jig, just drilling shelf pin holes for shelving in your cabinets. It's been a product that people have been asking us for. A lot of people associate pocket hole drilling pocket holes with Craig. So drilling shelf pin holes was something as well that people wanted to see from us. So this product is coming out on the market this fall. It's got 6 holes, 6 drill guide holes. They're solid steel, hardened steel drill guides.
Yeah.
We're using a brad point bit with a depth collar, similar to the way we do with the Craig jig, to drill those holes. So there's a locating pin with the product that goes down into the drill guide, then fits down into the first hole that you would drill.
Yeah.
The pin is a locating pin for both 5mm and quarter inch dimensions. So this is the 1/4 inch setting. You've got it located with the fence, and just plunge the drill bit to drill the holes.
What's the spacing of the holes?
The hole spacing is 32mm, so it's your
standardized system.
Yep. Get your holes drilled there down the edge. The fence is removable. This is about 1.5 inches here, set back from the edge. This is 2.5, so the fence removes from one side and can go onto the other side. That way.
More versatility.
Yeah, so you can set your shelf pins holes in from the edge of the side.
And it looks like there's some storage on the back for the bit.
Yeah, there is. We've a lot of these pieces get lost easily, so the locating pin fits down into a recess. The drill bit will fit down into a recess as well. The kit comes standard with a 1/4 inch bit.
Okay.
We also offer a 5mm bit as well.
Great.
So that's one product.
Yeah. And there's a clamping feature you wanted to talk about here as well.
Yeah, so we've had a bench clamps, we call them, which allows you to do downward clamping on top of a tabletop. We've had these assembly clamps out on the market for some time.
Yeah.
What we wanted to do was add side clamping functionality to this tabletop. So we've got what we're calling a bench vise. This is an aluminum extrusion that mounts to the side edge of your bench, along with that same bench clamp that's been on the market. And then we couple that with bench dogs.
Nice.
These bench dogs are pretty standard 3/4 inch bench dog. There is a grommet on the top side, so you can place your material up on there so it doesn't slide around if you're sanding, finishing. There's also a little mark here on the edge that allow you to, if you're painting, you can put it up on top there, so you have little marks on, leave little marks on the back side of your workpiece. But
in the side clamping system, you can really put that on any bench you want.
Right, so mount it to any bench, come up to the edge of the board and clamp it into position along with the bench dogs. And then you can also, that's side clamping this direction, you can also use it in conjunction. We have 2 of them mounted here. Yeah. You can clamp this in this orientation, so you can plane the edge of a board, you can sand the edge of a board, work off the edge of the board as well. So it's really a simplified woodworking bench vise.
Absolutely. And what comes in the package with the clamp again?
The bench clamp, or what we're called the bench vise system, is this aluminum extrusion with these clamp blocks, 1 of these bench clamps, and then 2 of the bench dogs.
Is that available now?
Be available this fall. Both of these products will be available this fall.